Well, hey family, this is Darlene with Jewelry by BDK. Wanted to stop by like really quick. I'm sitting here working on some bracelets, and for this bracelet, I am going to make a partner bracelet to go with this one. So this is going to be a set. I do like it with all the charms, and my thought is to put charms around the entire bracelet. I mean, that'll give it a really, really jazzy kind of look, and I can see that, and I probably will do that off camera because I'm liking the way it look halfway, like with the charms, and I am using some of the hand painted beads that I did, some glass beads, and some wire spacers, and a bunch of little custom. If you watched any of my videos, you would know that like all these there's a lot of little stray beads that I have. And sometimes I have pieces of, let's see, pieces of wire like this I'll have left over. And what I do with the pieces of wire, I make charms out of all those loose little beads. And then I use those charms, of course, for bracelets and stuff. So that's what you see right here. So what I'm doing is making a bracelet. I am going to be using a howlet, Tucker's howlet, for my focal bead. Do this. I'm gonna grab a couple of these thick jump rings. That's what I'm using, some jump rings, not spacers, but jump rings. And that's pretty by itself, just, let's see, nothing. Remember that song, Nothing? Nothing from nothing leaves nothing. You gotta have something if you want to be with me. Okay, that's nice. I really like that. That's pretty together. This is gonna be my set though. I'm making this. I got this real pretty a dress, got all kind of colors in it, and I have an event that I will be going to, so I need something flashy and bright. Okay, so when I walk in the room, now let's see, I'm gonna take one bead off, and I think it'll be a perfect size for my wrists. And see, it's easy when you're making jewelry for yourself. You don't have to be so precise. It really don't even make a difference. And if it's not right, you can always take it loose and redo it. Or you don't have to, tie as many knots. You really don't care. You know why you really don't care? Because it's you. You didn't pay for it. It's you. It's different when it's a customer. You do want to be very precise. You want to make sure nothing is falling apart on them, and it looks better in person than it does on camera or in pictures. That's the whole objective for me. When you get it, I want it to look better than what you thought it really did. And let's see, I like this. I like this. I like this. I don't think I'm liking those little beads. I like this though, man, right? And then we just put the one that has all the... That's pretty. That's really pretty. I think I am though. I think I'm gonna put the charms around the entire bracelet, and you can probably see what I'm talking about if I put the charms around the entire bracelet. And then we got the partner bracelet here. Do this like this. That's really nice. I really like that. How nice is that, right? Color. That old color. Something about that color. Okay, something about that color. Okay, let me see if I could snap a picture real quick. I don't learn how to snap a picture while I'm making a video, so y'all can't tell me nothing, okay? Let me see how I want to... See how we want to do it. Need to do my nails. Okay, that was one picture. And then let's see. All this color is really pretty. Mm-hmm. What I'm doing is taking a couple of pictures, and I'll decide which picture I want to use. So I got 3, and then the pictures that I took will be my thumbnail. But this is what I'm doing. I'm making bracelets using hand-painted beads. So that's what I'm doing. And my plan is to make a nice amount of these, the bracelets. But wanted to stop by and say, hey, that I did answer a bunch of emails. And if you haven't checked your emails, when you do check your emails, you will see something in there from Darlene at Jewelry by BDK.